hindi siya ngumingiti, hindi siya nakipag-usap, she'll just look down pag kinakausap mo.
Okay, so biggest red flag siguro kapag one of the couple is super duper control freak na I don't know if it's something na baka yun yung dynamic nila, pero something like we feel like lampas na sa normal.
Yeah, especially pag lalaki, bihira yung control freak na lalaki. On my part,
dominant.
On my part, we had one. I can remember one. Siguro biggest red flag if super invested yung lalaki sa proposal kasi he planned it, tapos yung babae walang energy. Yung talagang parang napipilitan na lang siya. And you can see it in her face. Hindi siya ngumingiti, hindi siya nakipag-usap, she'll just look down pag kinakausap mo. So it's a biggest red flag na nag-yes lang siya siguro or hindi niya pa feel talaga.